Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to power on the Samsung Galaxy A27. Okay, the thing is really easy. All you need to do is to hold the power button for a few seconds until you see the Samsung logo. The power button is located on the right side of the phone under volume keys. It's this one. All you gotta do is to hold it for a few seconds. When the phone vibrates and when you see the Samsung logo, you can release the button, and now we just need to simply keep waiting until we see the home screen. So let's wait a little bit. And now, as you can see, our device has turned on. We have our home screen. Of course, you just need to give a few seconds for the phone. It has been just turned on, so it may be laggy in the beginning, but after a few seconds, everything will be fine. As you can see, our device is responsive and it's ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.